Hey everyone, this is Tyler and I'm going to show you my reception of over-the-air digital television in Southside Bethlehem. Now I install television antennas as a side business, so I've gone all throughout the Lehigh Valley. I know what reception is like in pretty much every area. I can tell you firsthand, if you are on the north side of Bethlehem, most of Northampton County will get the Philadelphia stations, Scranton-Wilkes-Barre, of course the Lehigh Valley stations, and possibly a few in New Jersey. Lehigh County, same thing. Most people there will get Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Philadelphia, and some of New Jersey. But if you are on the south side, closer to a mountain peak, south side Bethlehem, south side of Allentown, that will block out the Philadelphia stations. So you'll be stuck with Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, which is the scenario I'm in. But it's not too bad since Fox 29 has a local repeater in Bethlehem. So I'll show you exactly what you would get if you lived in south side Bethlehem with a small directional antenna. This is the antenna I use. It's a really small directional antenna, but does the job very well because it has this long VHF element that would be used to pick up the stations in the Lehigh Valley, all operating on the VHF frequency. And it also has two UHF elements. It's just kind of sitting around kind of by my window. Picks up all Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, and the Lehigh Valley stations. And I've used this antenna on installations for people that have good line of sight, even up to 60 to 70 miles away from the broadcast towers. The first one I get is channel 16 WNEP TV out of Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, ABC affiliate. 16.2 Antenna TV, which shows a lot of retro shows. That's off WNEP. 22.1, that is WYOU, the Scranton Wilkes-Barre CBS affiliate. 22.2 is Escape, a lot of crime dramas. 22.3 is Bounce. It's a bunch of program, kind of like BET, targeted towards the African American demographic. 22.4 is Cozy, a lot of retro shows. 28.1, this is the NBC affiliate of Scranton Wilkes-Barre, WBRE. 28.2, a sub-channel of Laugh, a lot of comedy shows you'll see on here. 28.3, Grit, this is a lot of westerns. 28.4, this is Justice Network. You'll see a lot of police kind of shows on here. 29.1, this is WTXF. They have a repeater on South Mountain, so I'm not getting them direct from Philadelphia. I am getting them about 5 miles away, Fox 29. Their sub-channel 29.2 is movies, that's obvious. 29.3, Light TV, retro shows. 29.4, Buzzer, vintage game shows. 35.1, this is WPPT, broadcasting locally on VHF Channel 9. They show a lot of international programs, same with their sub-channel 35.2. You'll see a bunch of stuff on here, international news, international documentaries. 39.1, this is WLVT PBS 39. Their new frequency on VHF Channel 9, but I also get their old frequency on 39 UHF. This is going to go off the air in mid-July, and then they're going to channel share with WPPT and a bunch of other channels on this channel, so the second 39 won't be there. 39.2, this is Create, a lot of do-it-yourself kind of programming, cooking shows, that kind of stuff. And then 39.3, France 24, this is a all-news channel, France 24. 44.1, this is WVIA, the PBS affiliate of Scranton Wilkes-Barre. They have a sub-channel of PBS Kids, and they're on the same frequency of WNEP. So if you get WNEP, you'll get their channel as well. 44.3 is Create, just a duplicate of the sub-channel on PBS 39. This is NJTV's repeater in Belvidere, New Jersey, right across the Delaware River, kind of towards the eastern area. Comes in if I point the antenna in that direction, but I don't have in that direction, so it's not showing up right now. But many locations in Lehigh Valley can get this channel. 56.1, this is the Fox affiliate of Scranton Wilkes-Barre, owned by Sinclair Broadcasting, which is notorious for right-wing propaganda. I wouldn't watch their local news on this channel. 56.2, the CW. Also owned by Sinclair, pairing on this channel. 56.3, My Network TV, WQMY, also owned by Sinclair, channel sharing on 56. Then this might also be a repeater of NJTV. I'm not sure exactly which one it is, but it comes in if I point the antenna to the east. WBPH, this is on VHF Channel 9. It's religious programming. Same thing goes with their sub-channel, WBPH 62. This is mostly slideshows of gospel music. And then you go to 69.1. This is WFMZ TV, probably the most popular channel in the area. This is the new frequency that they're on. As I said, all the stations in Lehigh Valley are switching frequencies and going to channel 9. So I'm getting them, but I also get their old frequency on, I think it's 46 or 47. And then they have a sub-channel that's all AccuWeather. That should load up right now. So you can see it's very, very hot today. 98 right now. Just going to pretend I didn't see that. And they have a message on 69.3 just kind of saying after July 18th, their main channel is going to go off the air, and this channel you're watching now is going to be the signal you'll receive. So if you have problems receiving it, you know what channel to get. It also says that the sub-channels 69.3 and 69.4, Heroes and Icons and Retro TV, are going to be moving to KJWP Channel 2 in Philadelphia. There's a rumor that this channel is going to become KJWP Me TV after July 18th, a simulcast on 69.3. They obviously have the bandwidth now to show this message, so they have a bandwidth to carry another station. I contacted WFMZ and they didn't really give me a comment about it, but if you go to KJWP and WFMZ's Wikipedia page, it shows that KJWP is carried as a translator on 69.3 on VHF Channel 9. So if that's correct, this video, if you're watching this in August, this will probably be Me TV. And then these channels, 69.3 Heroes and Icon, 69.4 Retro TV, those are going to be moved to Channel 2 out of Philadelphia. I have no problems getting in Channel 2 and most of Philadelphia stations in the north region of Northampton and Lehigh County. I just don't get it in the south region because South Mountain blocks all the Philadelphia channels. Hopefully this video is helpful for you in terms of deciding if you want to try over-the-air television in the Lehigh Valley. It's definitely worth a shot because that's all I really use now. I don't need cable. I can stream anything I want on the internet. And then for the local channels, local news, sporting events, I just use a small antenna. If you live in the Lehigh Valley and have any questions in terms of what channels you would get at your specific location, what antenna I'd recommend, feel free to send me a message. I'm always willing to help people cut the cord so that way we can essentially give the cable companies the middle finger for them being greedy throughout the years. And believe me, it's awesome to have free live TV that's reliable, crystal clear, and you don't even have to pay a dime for it. So thanks for watching this video. Feel free to message me if you have any questions, and have an awesome day.